up this morning because usually when you buy these little pre-made, what you call them? Patterns? I don't know what you call them. Anywho, to make popsicles, they come with a stick that actually closes over said mold. Mold, that's the word. Not the one that make you sick. Anywho, look on the stick where you need you put in there. You drop the stick in the drop aside. You're gonna have a camber popsicle. What's the point?
Well, the other thing is, here is Jody trying to tell us what to do. So Sim say, but when you do this, it now go turn. Here, Jody. We asked before. In other words,
Aren't you the foodie, though?
the teacher don't know how to teach.
Anywho, the point of this segment today is that summer is coming. Come when, sir? When does summer begin?
June 21.
Very good. Summer
first
solstice.
Yeah.
So,
Longest day of the year.
yes.
Do that.
Popsicles are a great way to cool down, especially for the kiddie brigades. And it's a good way to engage them as well and have them do fun stuff. So what we're doing today is showing you how to make a fruit smoothie popsicle.
We are use
which
all
again,
of them in 3 minutes. We are use all the ingredients.
I would never eat because I don't believe in this kind of
banana. Anyway,
mashup,
all right,
mashup.
make we just do it and do that. So
I would like to
everything.
ask a question.
Yeah.
What are we supposed to use to put the stuff into the blender?
That's what I do.
No, but we don't. And then they're going to laugh at us and say we don't know what to do in the kitchen.
We have this.
But they didn't give us any utensils.
We have this. We don't need utensils. We have this. Just tell me how much you want.
No, don't put your hand
I'm
up
not
there.
putting. I just don't want to drop on the ground. God, we can't. You see? That's exactly.
Yes, now look what you do. Wait.
No.
Very important tip, children. Don't try that at home. If there is a 5-second rule.
Yeah, and
If it's dry, then you can pick it up and eat it within 5 seconds. If it's wet, then it's going to soak up all the bacteria that was on this when it was around there a while ago. So you just had some like,
bacteria is in my stomach.
Nasty. Okay.
I look like I know this thing, don't it? Oh, don't try that at home, kids. Wait till it's done, make. You can't take it up before it's done. Little water or no water?
Put a little more watermelon in there.
A little more?
Why are we putting water in there?
That's what I'm saying. I'm asking you. We never put water. I'm asking you.
I guess because it's probably going to be too thick, especially with this banana.
So you want a little water?
I wouldn't put a lot in there.
Little. You stop me when you're ready to stop me.
Tap.
Them say we only have a minute and 30 seconds.
No, we don't need no more than that.
We don't need no
Ready?
more. Ready?
Automatic, get it, go.
Chop up.
Of course you can. The music.
All right, come on.
Because you can have little pieces of fruit in there, right?
Yeah, come on.
Ready? On the mark, catch, set, catch. 1.
That's 1.
2.
You're perfect. Wait, no.
No, you don't need.
Yes, because you are going to
No,
mess it
well,
up.
you cause it a while ago when you turn it around.
Yes, sir. You see some of the people them don't chop up. Remember they tell you?
Camber. Oh, it's done up.
It's not cambering.
I'm very impressed. Okay. So we're going to put this in the freezer. And then if we have time at the end of the show, we're going to show you what we made. Oh, good job.
Can't take no one here, man.
So I high five with Aaron. We don't ever connect. Just it's a thing. Good job, Nev. No, I never said we'll lick each other.
Isn't that it, though? All right, come on.
No, you come again. 7 o'clock block is up next.
Like that.